Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to create and join a private server with your friends in Ink game, and let's get straight into the video. So what you can do is go ahead and make your way over to the charts or the gaming section. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and just type in the search bar Ink game, and it should be the one right here, the one with the most players. You can go ahead and click on into it. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the double player icon right here, and then go ahead and click on create private server. Now once you go ahead and create your private server, it should be for free, so you can go ahead and name it whatever you like and click on buy now, and then you can go ahead and X out of here. You will see your name and then the private server pop up. You can go ahead and join. Now from here, once you are in the game itself, you can go ahead and bring down the menu, and then you can invite your friends from here. So now once that is done, you guys should be good to go, and that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.